I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put an LLC under S Corp status. Many small business owners consider this election to potentially reduce their self-employment tax burden. We'll cover the essential steps and requirements to ensure a smooth transition. Understanding the benefits and obligations upfront is crucial for making an informed decision about your business structure. This guide will help you navigate the process effectively. To qualify for S Corp status, your LLC must meet specific Internal Revenue Service criteria. It needs to be a domestic entity and can have a maximum of 100 shareholders. These shareholders are typically individuals, not other corporations or partnerships. Furthermore, an S Corp is limited to having only one class of stock. Meeting these foundational requirements is the first critical step. Once eligible, the formal election process involves filing Internal Revenue Service Form 255-3. All shareholders must provide their consent to this election, which is a vital part of the submission. It's important to submit this form within 75 days of the start of the tax year for which the election is to take effect. Consulting a qualified tax professional is highly recommended to ensure accurate and timely filing. After electing S Corp status, ongoing compliance is key to realizing the benefits. You, as an owner-employee, must pay yourself a reasonable salary, which is subject to payroll taxes. The remaining profits can then be distributed as dividends, which are not subject to self-employment taxes. Maintaining meticulous financial records is essential. This structure can lead to significant tax savings, particularly on self-employment taxes for distributions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.